In 2025, every business needs an online presence. But there's one big question. Should you build a website or a web app? Today, I'll break down the difference, the benefits, and how to choose the right one for your business, in simple terms. By the end, you'll know exactly what's best for your goals. Let's start simple. A website is an informational platform. It shows your brand, products, and services. It's mainly for content display, SEO, and customer awareness. Think of it like a digital brochure, easy to access, easy to share. Have you ever wondered why some products become so popular? It's not just because they're great, it's because they look great too. Behind every product people love is a website that tells its story beautifully. Clean design, smooth interactions, and visuals that make you want to click buy. A good product grabs attention, but a good website, that's what turns attention into trust, and trust into sales. A web app is more dynamic. It allows users to interact and perform tasks. If your platform has logins, dashboards, real-time updates, or databases, that's a web app. Think of Google Drive, Notion, or Edgewave. Those are web apps, not static websites. Look at some of these popular web apps. They are dynamic. You can interact with them in real time. You can log in, book your favorite room, all using these web apps. They are carefully designed to make your experience more intuitive. Here are some strong 2025 relevant reasons why a web app is a great option for businesses and creators today. 1. Platform independence. Web apps run directly in browsers. No need to build separate versions for iOS, Android, or desktop. They adapt across devices, reducing development and maintenance costs. 2. Instant access, no installation. Users don't need to download anything, they can access it instantly through a link. This removes friction and improves user adoption, especially for first-time visitors. 3. Easy updates and scalability. Updates are rolled out server-side, so users always see the latest version. Scaling to handle more users or data is much easier with modern cloud infrastructure. Now I will tell you the difference between web app and a website. A website is built to inform, a web app is built to interact. So if your goal is to attract new visitors, choose a website. If your goal is to let users perform actions, choose a web app. Let me show you some real-world examples of websites and web apps to make it more clear. This right here is a modern-looking website, taken for example purposes from awards.com. Here you can find some amazing work from creative individuals and developers. This is a website, because website is mainly informational, designed to share content like text, images, videos, or blogs. Some other examples of websites include a company's portfolio just like this one, news site, or online brochure. Now take a look at Airbnb. At first it might seem like just another website, but it's actually a web app. Why? Because it's not just showing you information, it lets you take action. You can search for stays, make bookings, manage your profile, and even track your trips, all in real time. That's the difference. A website shows, but a web app lets you do. Now I will summarize this for you in short. On the basis of purpose, website. Built mainly to inform or showcase content, examples, blogs, portfolios, company sites, whereas web app is designed to perform actions or tasks. Users can log in, interact, and manipulate data, example, Airbnb, Canva. Next is interactivity. Website, mostly static, users view or read information, whereas web app, dynamic and interactive, users create, book, upload, or edit content in real time. And last but not the least, technology and functionality. Website is simpler front-end, with minimal back-end processing, whereas web app integrates complex back-end logic, databases, and often functions like a native app, example progressive web apps. Imagine you're launching your own business and want to go online quickly. You start with a simple website. It's fast to build and focuses on the front end, the part your visitors see. It shows who you are, what you offer, maybe a few images and contact details. It's like a digital brochure, clean, simple, and easy to maintain. But as your business grows, you want your users to sign in, manage their profiles, maybe place orders, or track progress. Suddenly, that simple website is not enough. You now need a system that can handle real-time data, store information securely, and update automatically. That's when it becomes a web application. A web app goes beyond visuals. It connects the front end to powerful back-end logic and databases working quietly in the background. That's why apps like banking dashboards or performance tracking systems need regular updates and constant security checks. They're living systems, not just pages on a screen. A few years ago, if you were a small business owner wanting to go online, a simple website was the obvious choice. It was affordable, quick to set up, and perfect for showing your products, contact details, or reviews. For most small businesses, that was all they needed, a clean online presence that told their story. But as businesses grew, so did their needs. They wanted customers to sign in, make purchases, track deliveries, and get personalized experiences. That's where web applications came in, more advanced, more powerful, but also more expensive. They required custom development, database systems, and strong back-end logic. Now, in 2025, that gap between websites and web applications is closing fast. With artificial intelligence tools and low-code platforms, even small businesses can build dynamic, app-like experiences without huge budgets. What once needed a team of developers can now be created by a single designer with the right tools, making the web more accessible than ever before. Let's say you're starting something new. Maybe you're a freelancer, an agency, or running a small service-based business. Your first goal is to get noticed, to tell people who you are and what you do. That's where a website comes in. It's your digital storefront, simple, clear, and focused on awareness. It helps people discover you, learn about your work, and reach out easily. But what if your business model relies on user interaction, say, customers booking appointments, using dashboards, or tracking their progress? That's when you need a web application. A web app lets users engage directly with your services, not just read about them. And here's the interesting part. Many successful brands use both. They use a website to attract people and tell their story, and a web app to keep those customers engaged through personalized, interactive experiences. Together, they create a complete digital journey, from discovery to lasting connection. At Edgewave Innovations, we build both, from clean, responsive websites to full-featured web applications. Our goal is to create solutions that match your vision, not just your budget. Whether you need a website or web app, we'll help you choose smartly. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment whether you need a website or web app. Visit edgewaveinnovations.com or contact us at contact@edgewaveinnovations.com, or you can even contact us at this number. All these details are shared down below as well for your convenience. Let's build the future together.